Welcome back, travelers. Senpai Ken here. So, I just came out of Wolf Valley, as you can see here. It's cleared. And what we have here, take a look, guys. Jesus. I mean, I taught werewolves a lesson, and I think they're here to teach me a lesson. I mean, I could be wrong, but just look at them. They just keep following me. I mean, they have no idea who they are messing with. Well, let's see, guys.
We're here to teach you a lesson.
See? They were here to teach me a lesson. Oh, man, these guys. What should we do about this? Well, here we go. Yeah, that was that. Who sent you? Hired the thug. Wait a second. Contract. Books. Contract. Heimskar. Heimskar. Really? Ah. Yeah. Oh well. There's this little Wolf Valley aftermath, I guess. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Senpai out.